Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and today we are replacing the blade drive belt on our Gravely Pro 50-inch mower. We lost the belt, got our new one. So once you follow along, we'll be taking the cover off, getting this thing all back up, ready to mow. All right, first thing we're gonna take this deck off. See what it looks like. All right, take the new belt, put enough through the end to get there. Looks like this thing goes from here like so. Just like that. Good. Now we're going to wheel it outside, make sure we got everything lined up the right way, no mistakes. And there it is. So pretty simple. The only confusing part was kind of where you engage and disengage the actual mower drive. There's kind of like a groove that kind of holds the belt in place. I found it easiest to engage the PTO, put the belt through that groove before it went on to the PTO. And then once I got it through the groove, disengage the belt drive and then walk it around the PTO by spinning the motor by the pulley with my hand, and it seemed to work out pretty easy. The only tools that were needed was a 3/8 socket just for this cover, these cover bolts, and the belt. I'll have that part link in the description below if you want to support the channel using that link, that affiliate link. Will give me a little bit of commission, help support the hobby. Every video make, when you film a job, makes it take about 3 times as long to do it. So I do enjoy teaching, and it is fun. But if you want to help out, that'd be fantastic too. So if you like the content, you know, there's not a lot that I do like this on the farm, only when needed. Most of my videos are on Christmas trees. So if you have any interest in seeing all the extra work that goes in beyond just harvest time, it's a big misconception of how people think you put a tree in the ground and then 10 years later come back and here it is, a perfect shaped specimen of a Christmas tree. So if you like the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.